back to another video on this channel. Thank you so much for joining in. Today, I'm going to do something kind of kooky. It is going to be Mother's Day tomorrow. I'm recording this on Saturday. Hopefully it goes up today too. If it doesn't, oops. But I'm doing this for Mother's Day. And I already sent my mom some gifts and stuff. It's kind of hard celebrating holidays when you live so far away from your family and you're quarantined. So there's really no way you can be near them or interact with them. So I sent her some presents and stuff, but I want to do a fun video for Mother's Day too. And I was thinking about this and I was like, well, I've already done a Pokemon themed video for my mom in the past for her birthday. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I basically talked about what my mom would be like as an NPC or non-playable character in Pokemon. So I already did that and I was like, okay, what else can I do? And then I don't have a TikTok, but I've been looking at TikTok videos and there's this trend going around about kids dressing up as their dads, and I think it's so cute. So I'm going to put my spin on this today, and I'm going to be turning myself into my mother when she was my age. So let's see how this goes. I don't know. Hopefully it'll be entertaining for you guys. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I asked my mom to send me a picture of what she looked like when she was roughly my age, like in her 20s. And I'm sure she didn't really send me like like this would have been in the late 80s. So the makeup isn't really too wild, but it's still a little bit different. I'm sure she did that to save face because she knew I was going to make a video out of this and she didn't want me to look like a complete mess. I don't know if you can see it. Here she is. There's my mama. And yeah, we're gonna try to do this as best as possible. I have some clothes that are kind of like hers, and with Photoshop and everything else, I think it'll be a success. But first of all, let's do the makeup part because the makeup part's more fun. So my mom is using a foundation and it's really dewy. From what I understand, a lot of makeup in the 80s, like in terms of skin makeup, was to be as shiny as possible, not matte. So I have a more dewy foundation today, and I think it will go over pretty well. So let's just try that. I kind of put too much on. I'm trying to comb my eyes, but I don't want to like cover my brows because and I think I already did. Oopsies. So my mom's eyebrows in this picture are like very supernatural and like not a lot of like brow shading or anything like that, so I'm just gonna leave mine natural. And I leave my eyebrows natural anyway because like I know it's like a key part of the makeup process for a lot of people, but like I don't have a problem with my brows. Like they're in good shape, they're decent thickness. Sometimes I'll fill them in a little bit with some eyeshadow, but other than that I don't really do brow gel and all that jazz. Okay, work. So now that I look dead, it looks like, sorry, I'm using a phone to kind of look at this, but can't really tell if she's wearing concealer. She might be. I don't have much on me, so I'm just going to do a little bit underneath my eye bags just to kind of flatten it out. Because, like, my mom did not have my wrinkles. Okay, so I want to kind of dive into blush. It doesn't really look like she's contouring with anything at all. And that there's just like a one big waft of blush that's kind of going around her cheeks or whatever. Again, which is kind of like how I normally do my makeup, except I don't really think there's too much on her nose. I think it's just like a big chunk of blush here. So let's try that. She's using like a more rosy pink, so I'm just gonna take like an eyeshadow I have and use that as a blush. Okay, so this looks about right. Like getting it to the nose, but not touching the nose at all. Sure. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So now, let's see, what's next? Okay, so I'm gonna try to do her eye makeup. It looks like she has just a waft of eyeshadow over the lid. Okay, we both have hooded eyes. Like slightly hooded eyes, so this should be interesting. But it looks like she had eyeliner all the way around. There you can see that there's a little bit of eyeshadow on the brow bone too. Like it goes all the way up, which is like again how she still does her makeup. That's a very 80s thing to take the eyeshadow all the way up. But it's not like too bold of a color. Maybe it's a bluish, like tinted kind of thing. So instead of like I normally use browns and warms with my eyes, but she's using a lot of cold colors. So I'm gonna try to see what I have to try to make this work, but I'm not sure how it's gonna go, especially since I don't have pencil eyeliner. Um, so for this look, I'm gonna use this Spellbound palette. I used it in like a really old video, one of my first videos ever about doing, I think it was Bulbasaur makeup or something. This is the Wizardry and this is the Wizardry and Witchcraft palette thing. Supposed to be inspired by Harry Potter-ish stuff, I guess. So I'm just gonna take like this color because it's kind of cool silvery and it's not too bright. I'm gonna do that all over, and then like around the eyes I'm gonna play with this color, and just kind of put that on the lash line. Yeah, it's looking right. This is about it. Oh my god. Okay. So now that this weird silverish color is all over the lid, I'm gonna go in with this blue greenish kind of darker color and literally just go around the lash line. And I'm gonna smudge that out a little bit. It's like sort of uneven, but like again, it doesn't really matter on my face because it'll just like disappear anyway. Okay, I have a little bit of fallout, so let me clean that up real quick. Okay, so now this is gonna be the scariest part, I think. I'm gonna try to do eyeliner all the way around with liquid eyeliner. I don't recommend people doing this because this could easily get in your eye. But YOLO, am I right? Okay, I just want to point out I'm not doing like a wing or anything. If anything, her eye's going like a little bit down, so she looks like she's just following her natural shape and not trying to like correct it or anything. Oh my god. I hate this. Okay, so I think this side's a little bit better than this one, but still, oops. See, I can't even do this right. Like, God bless Carrie because I don't know how she would do this. So this is a little rough. Oh my god, did she close it in? She does. Oh no. Why? I just want to preface this out there that I never wear a liner in my waterline. I just don't. One, it makes my eyes look a lot smaller than what they actually are, even though they're like obviously popping out. They look like this big. The way I do my eyes kind of makes them a little bit more like natural looking. Um, I'm gonna try to brush this liner out a little bit, just like smudge it a little. So yeah, I don't do that. The only time I would even think about putting liner in my eye would be like a white liner, just to make it look like a little bit more big and anime-y. I haven't done this kind of eyeliner since middle school. Um, okay, so now I'm looking a little bit more like Mama Carrie. Okay, so I'm gonna do lashes and then lips, and then we're gonna do more and more stuff. But like, look how I just can't get over the fact that like oh my god, like my mom still does some of this stuff, and like it looks great on her. I'm not trying to knock her or anything, but like, goddamn, that's a lot for me. But yeah, so we're gonna do eyelashes today. I have a new mascara. It's like okay if you need something quick from if you need something quick from Target or something, it'll make your eyelashes look real long. But this stuff smudges at the end of the day like no other. I mean, I love the length it gives me. Like, look at that, but it's just a mess because like anything relatively wet, it's gone. Okay, we're doing top and bottoms. Just because that's, again, what's in the picture. You can very much see her bottom lashes, so we're going to coat everything. Okay, this is a little bit edgier than Mama Carrie in this picture. I don't know if it's because she's got glamour shots or what, but it's because she didn't fuck up her waterline like I did. Okay, sorry. We're getting what we're getting. Even though, like, there's this little fuck up, this is still pretty dated makeup, I would say. So we're on the right track. But, so now we're going to do lips. I have a specific lipstick I want to use. Let's see if I can find it. Yes. So, also, 80s in general was full of metallic-y, shimmery lipsticks. Sorry, there's a freaking typhoon outside. But, so it's filled with shimmery lipsticks, and lip glosses, and anything that was like a reflective substance was on your lips. Like I said, this is late 80s, so the wildness is toning down. But when my mom was young in the 80s, she always described herself as like a preppy punk. And I don't really know what that means, but I just know that she did palms. Sometimes she wore trash bags for clothing and her dad's ties. So we love an alternative queen. But I'm just going to do this one because this is the only metallic-y lipstick I have. And hers is like lighter than mine, I think. It's more like a gloss or a tint. So I'm going to try to like use a little bit and just smear this out and see where it goes. Okay. That's pretty close. I might put a little bit of lip gloss on to see if it'll lighten the color. So let me do this lipstick I got, or lip gloss I got from ColourPop. It's the Disney Hercules collaboration. This is honestly my favorite lip gloss. I just like the color a lot. Okay, kind of close. Oops. Okay, so we have a good portion of the makeup done. I found, so she's wearing like a turtleneck and then a sweater on top and then a scarf. I don't have these specific colors, but I do have a turtleneck, a sweater, and a scarf. So I'm just going to throw that on and try to style myself the same way she did, and I will be right back. Okay, so, oh, that's cute, bitch. What? Ooh, Carrie. You be onto something, though. Oh, my God. Okay, so I have the turtleneck and sweater. It's May. It's hot. I don't want to stay in this very much longer. But I found a silk scarf kind of thing. So I'm just going to try to, like, tie it around my neck. And she has hers kind of, like, cocked to the side. So I'm going to try to do that, too. Sorry, I said cocked on YouTube. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, so the last part of this is she's got this big ass earring. I don't own earrings. I don't wear earrings. I have one set of pearl earrings and they're very small. So I'm gonna cheat and literally just cover my ear in lipstick, and just kind of go from there. I have this orangey red I think might work. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm just going to draw a circle on my ear. Yes, bitch, it is practically the same. Okay. Now the other ear, because we got to match. This lipstick is from Stila. It has to be old or something, because it smells nasty. That's all I can say. That is why I never wear this one. I love the color, but the smell is just so gross. Yes. Yes. Yes! I'm transforming. Yes! Okay. There's only one thing that's missing now, and it's something that I do not have, and it's hair. This is when my mother rocked this weird mullet perm thing. I have no hair, so I'm gonna try to Photoshop my mother's hair on my head. And I'm gonna try to tilt my head and then You guys will see the picture. Hang on. Does it work? Do I look like her? Okay, and there we go. This has been me transforming into my mother. I hope you all enjoyed this process. It was really weird for me, but it was a lot of fun because now I notice how much I do look like my mother. But you know, she had swag back in the day, so it's okay. I love you, and I hope you all have a happy Mother's Day. If you want to support the channel and see me do more crazy content like this, all you gotta do is like the video, share this video with a friend, comment down below, and please subscribe to the channel. I've had a lot of channel growth this past month. I've gotten like 20 new subscribers and a bunch of new watch time because of some of my other videos getting a lot of views. So I'd love to keep up that momentum. So if you could help me out, I really appreciate it. If you like this challenge, I might do something similar for Father's Day and turn myself into my dad, which would be a lot harder considering that he's like 6'3" and huge, and I am 5'2". Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Thanks so much, and until next time, thanks. Bye.